Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate everybody watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe video. It really helps me out a lot. So today, I kind of wanted to go over a planning video because I had started this whole series, Walt Disney World Planning 101, and a lot of stuff has changed due to the pandemic. Hopefully in a year from now or a year and a half or so from now, we'll be able to be back to our new normal. But for now, here are some things I want you to know. Starting with, right now it's June 23rd. I have a list of resorts that are going to open because not every resort is opening in a timely fashion. So here's my list, hold on. Yesterday, June 22nd, the Disney Vacation Club resorts open. Starting July 10th, the day before the Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom open, Disney's Animal Kingdom Villa's Jambo House will open, Pop Century will be open, and Disney's Contemporary will be open. Then July 29th, Disney's Caribbean Beach will be open. August 12th, Disney's Polynesian Village Resort and Disney's Art of Animation will be open. August 24th, Disney's Yacht and Beach Club will be open. September 24th, Disney's Grand Floridian will open. October 1st, Disney's Boardwalk will open. October 14th, Disney's Coronado Springs will open. We do not have an opening date for the All-Star Resorts, nor do we have an opening date for the Port Orleans Resort. Stay tuned. When I hear about those resorts opening, I will update my social media account as soon as possible. So if you have a current 2020 reservation, we're going to talk to you guys first, because if you want to go in 2020 and you haven't made a reservation, you're going to have to wait. Currently, you can't even buy tickets. Those are going to go on sale later this year, based on availability, social distancing, the whole 9 yards. So this is for my friends who have already made their resort reservation with tickets. As you know, they have eliminated fast passes for the time being. They have a wording that makes it seem like they will come back, so fingers crossed. But what they're doing and why they got rid of the fast passes was to use that extra space for social distancing in line. Oh, there's no dining plan. They got rid of the dining plan. Even if you had that recovery package, not gonna happen. No dining plan from now, July, until September 2021. There's many reasons for this, but they also canceled everybody's dining reservation because they're going to be doing more social distancing at restaurants due to food supplies and staffing. They're not going to be able to, it's not going to be the same menu as you had planned months ago. So the dining plan is not going to be around for a little while. And I'm totally bummed because I love the dining plan. Right now we love the quick service dining plan. That's what we normally get. But nonetheless, also in 2020, for the time being, no character meet and greets, no fireworks, no parades, no Halloween party. No word yet on the Christmas party, but stay tuned to all the social media links and I'll update you as soon as I hear. And from today in June, well, I guess from when the parks open in July, all the way through September of 2021, in order to enter any of the Disney World theme parks, you need to make a park reservation. So if you have your tickets bought, you need to make sure they're all linked to your My Disney experience. Your phone is going to become a valuable piece of equipment when you are in Walt Disney World. So you're going to need to make a park reservation. There is no park hopping for the time being. It may come back later this year, it may not. Stay tuned. But the park reservation system opened yesterday. I was able to do it for myself for our February trip. Super easy to do. I had talked to a few clients. I know it was a little hard to get into yesterday. I think as it was the first day it opened, their system crashed. But as we move forward, it'll be a little easier. You sign into your My Disney Experience account, you go over to the sidebar, you click under, it'll say My Disney Experience, you scroll down and it will say Disney Park System Reservation or the Parks Reservation System. You click on that, make sure your party's all linked, and then you just go in and pick the park you want that day. I had seen a lot of availability yesterday. Starting June 26th, if you are an annual pass holder without a resort reservation, you can go in and make up to 3 park reservations. So if you're someone living in Florida who doesn't necessarily need to make a park reservation, June 26th, you can start making park reservations. One of the things I really liked moving forward is instead of the 180-day mark to make your dining reservations, it's now 60 days prior to check-in, which also used to be your fast pass day, so not sure how they're going to deal with that. But what I love about that is 180 days is a really long time to think about what you want to eat. So 60 days prior to check-in, going forward, is when you get to make your dining reservations. Now I know some of you guys have already made your dining reservations like twice and had them canceled and refunded, and it's a total bummer. But as we continue on with your 2020 or 2021 reservations, let's relook at the menus and make sure every restaurant is offering what you want in your experience, because right now they're not doing character dining except at one restaurant. I do believe they're going to be adding more in, kind of phasing them in and checking them out. Topolino's Terrace, I could never say it. It's the restaurant high on top of the Riviera Tower, which is a gorgeous new resort. And you have Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, and Donald in these adorable outfits. I've seen some videos. Prince Charming Dev, I think I can link his channel below, but he went there to have a social distancing character meal, and it was super cute. Characters came out and danced around on the tables. The restaurant looked pretty empty, and then you could do a social distancing selfie. So not the same as when you get to go up and hug the character and get an autograph, but you still get to experience it and see them, and the food looked pretty amazing too. And now I'm going to talk to all my friends who are going to be going to Walt Disney World from now until September 2020. Some of this stuff may be relaxed a little, but it's good to have an idea of what to expect. They're going to be doing enhanced cleaning. Walt Disney World did a video, Know Before You Go. I think I can link their stuff below as well, and it's a lot of really good information. Enhanced cleaning in your rooms, all around the resort. This is something I said in one of my other videos. I bet they're going to be cleaning like they do the cruise ships. If you've ever been on a Disney cruise, they are cleaning non-stop. It's pretty amazing. Physical distancing. Temporary adjustments will be put in place to make sure everybody can stay at least 6 feet apart, which is why no parades or fireworks, because it's kind of hard to stay far apart from everybody when you're watching your favorite parade. And the other thing, reduced contact. So this is everything from, please do online check-in. If you're one of my clients, I can totally walk you through that. I love doing online check-in because when you get in the Magical Express, depending on what time your flight is, you get a little text that says your room is ready or your room is not quite ready, and it will give you your room number, your room folio, all your information. If you do need to go to the front desk for any questions or concerns, there will be somebody available, but they are really trying to help out with the social distancing. And they're also going to be offering more mobile ordering. I had done a video on mobile ordering before when we went to Casey's Corner. I will link that. If I can link it up above or below, I will do that for you. So we ordered the food on the boat from the Wilderness Lodge. Then after we made it through the Magic Kingdom security, got down Main Street, said, click, we're here, we're ready for our food, and then within a few minutes, there was a notification that our food was ready. We were a little confused about what window to go to, but once we figured it out, it was great. Food was hot and it was ready. And here's the other thing you need to be aware of. Before you enter the park, they will be doing a temperature scan, and around all of Walt Disney World, around your resort, Disney Springs, all the theme parks, everybody over the age of 2, guests and cast members, need to wear a mask. You are able to take your mask off when you're swimming in the pool and when you're dining and in your hotel room, of course. This is to keep everyone safe. They do sell masks there. Another tip I've heard, which is great, and it's not something I would have thought of, but because it does rain pretty often in Florida and you could be doing a water ride, bring an extra mask because you're going to be required to wear one at all times. And just be prepared. Parks are going to have a limited capacity, so make sure that you make those park reservations. The park reservation system started yesterday, June 23rd. June 24th, we can start moving people over to, if you had a reservation in 2020 and you're like, nah, I'm not ready to travel yet, we can move you over to 2021, which hopefully will start to look a little bit more normal. I have a feeling early in 2021, we'll still be probably wearing masks, social distancing, but maybe there'll be parades and fireworks and fast passes again. Who knows? And hopefully park hopping will be back. Yeah, I was pretty bummed about the no park hopping thing, but I kind of understand with the park reservation and social distancing thing. I love to park hop, especially love going to Epcot at the end of the day for dinner. But the great thing is when you make your park reservation, you can come and go in that same park all day long. So if you want to take a pool break or your kid needs a little bit of a break in the middle of the day, no problem. You can leave that park and then re-enter it. Same park. And as we are moving forward with our vacation starting January 1st, 2021, Magic Bands are no longer going to be complimentary, which is a huge bummer. I have done many videos about different resorts and some of the benefits, and one of my biggest benefits, one of the many, was that your room reservation came with a Magic Band. And that Magic Band unlocks your hotel room, it's your park pass, fast pass, the whole 9 yards. If you're staying at a Walt Disney World owned resort, you can still buy one at a discount, or you can use your old one. You can't transfer it to your friend or other family member because it stays with you. But the reason is phones. They are really going to be trying to get you to use your phone more, whether it goes from linking a reservation or opening your hotel room with your phone. So make sure you have your portable charger with you. You're gonna need it. I love the fuel rod. I bought a couple in Walt Disney World. They're $30, which is kind of a lot for a portable charger. But the reason I did it is because they're a free exchange. So if I'm in the park and we have charged everybody's phone, we can exchange the empty one and get a full one all powered up, ready to go. As we move forward with 2020 and into 2021 Walt Disney World vacations, they are going to look different than your previous Walt Disney World vacations or the ones you have envisioned or seen in the commercials. But that's not to say they're not going to be amazing, magical vacations. Something I have said over and over is you cannot do everything every trip anyways. So you may not have the fireworks, you may not have the parade or the character meet and greets, but you'll have more time to sit in your restaurant. You'll be able to go grab that extra Mickey bar, and you'll be able to do all the rides you want. With the lower crowds, there'll be lower wait times, and more time to go shopping. There's a lot to do in Walt Disney World. I know it will be different for the time being, but we'll get used to the new normal. And as things change, when the dining plan comes back, fast passes are reintroduced, I will let you guys know as soon as I find out. So please don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram or Facebook. I tend to post there as soon as I find out because it's really easy to do. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about your Walt Disney World or Disneyland vacation, we didn't even get to talk about Disneyland today, please let me know. You can leave me a comment below, or you can always shoot me an email. I know this is a weird time we're going through. I am happy that Disney World is opening back up, even though we're still in the middle of the pandemic. But I feel like they're doing it very safely with social distancing, wearing masks, extra hand sanitizer, touchless payments, asking you to use your phone. They're introducing Apple Pay, which is great. You'll be able to pay with your watch, which I'm kind of psyched about. So change is never easy, you guys, but it's Disney. It'll be magical. And have you seen the photos going around about the new Cinderella castle? I'm totally not sure how I feel about that. I need to see it in person. Let me know how you feel about it below. Just a little side note. I'm so excited to really start planning. I'm psyched they're opening again and I can get back to work. Let me know how you feel about Walt Disney World opening. And I'm here to help you make sense of all this craziness. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. And we'll see you guys next time.